Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to draft female trouser. Firstly, I'll draw a straight line here. After that, I'll leave about 2 inches here. And I'll form a straight line. This is my waistline. From the waistline, I'll get my crotch depth. To work out my crotch depth, I'll divide my hip into 4. That is 10 inches. Now measure 10 inches to form a straight line here. This is my crotch depth. From the waistline, I'll measure the length of my hip. The length of my hip is 22 inches. I'll measure 22 inches out. Now form a straight line. After that, to my ankle, to the full length of my trouser. The full length of my trouser is 40. From the waistline to the full length of the trouser is 40. So I'll measure 40 out. 40 out. To form a straight line. Now reel it out. Form a straight line. Back to the waist. My measurement will start from here, from this line. I'll measure downward here. Backward. From on this line now. On this line now, I'll place the quarter of my hip measurement, which is 10 inches, because my hip is 40 and I divided it by 4. So 10 inches on this waistline too. I'll now connect it to form a straight line. So to get my crotch, I'll place half of my thigh measurement. My thigh measurement is 26. Then I'll divide it by 2. That'll give me 13 inches. I'll mark it out. So on this line now, I'll come up by 2.5 inches to get my crotch. If you don't have a French cuff, you can use your free hand, but I'll use my French cuff to connect it. Note, while drafting the female trouser, you only divide hip and waist measurement into 4. But the knee measurement, the circumference of the knee and the circumference of the ankle will be divided by 2, and the thigh will be divided by 2. So after rolling out my crotch, I'll go down to the knee. No. Here now. From here to where I get my 13 inches, I'll divide that 13 inches into 2. The half of this line now, on this line now, I'll mark it out. On the knee measurement too, half of that 13 inches that I get, that I mark on this line to get this crotch, I'll mark it here too. I'll do the same thing on the ankle line. Half of that 13 inches. So on the knee line, my knee circumference is 22. Sorry, my knee circumference is 18. I will divide 18 by 2. That will give me 9. So, but before that, let me connect this so that it will be clear to you what I'm drafting. While drafting female trouser, you need a long ruler so that for you not to be confused. So after that, the half of that 13 inches that I used to get my crotch here, on the knee length, I'll place the half of my knee circumference, which is 9 inches, because my knee circumference is 18 inches. So that 9 inches, I'll now divide it by 2. So the 4.5, I'll place that 4.5 on this line to get my 9 inches. So on the ankle too, I'll do the same thing. My ankle circumference is 16. The half of it is 8. So I'll now place the 8 inches on the ankle. But I'll make sure the half of that 8, I'll place that 4 inches on this line, which is the half of my ankle circumference. I will now connect it. Connect it like this. So if you don't have your French cuff, you can use your straight ruler. Then you now later blend it up. Blend all the sharp edges up. So here now, I'll connect it like this with my French cuff. So we are about to finish. This is my front pattern of the female trouser. To get the back, I will just add all the seam allowance to the back. Note, on the front pattern of the trouser, we don't need to add any seam allowance to it. All the seam allowance will be added to the back. Here now, from this line, you measure 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches. And from this point, you measure 3 inches. I'll now connect it. My French cuff. So up here now, I'll come up by, the reason why I want to come up here is because of the bottom, which is at the back. I'll come up by 1.5 inches and I'll connect it. I'll connect it to this place like this. As for the front here, I'll measure 1 inch downward to reduce the crotch here, so that the crotch will not be much here. And I'll now connect it with my French cuff. So here now, I'll measure 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches, 2.5 inches. But from here, I'll measure 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches down to the full length of the trouser. I'll now connect it. Connect it like this. So I use a straight ruler for the down part of it. So that's just it on how to draft female pants. This is the front part of it, and this is the back part. On the back part, you have to add all the seam allowance, but at the front, on the front part, you will not add any seam allowance to it. Thanks for watching. You can give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and please, if you find this tutorial helpful to you, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you on